Today we're going to talk about how to use boundary steering. This option generates a guideline inside the boundary. By default, the guideline is offset by half an implement width away from the boundary. This width can be adjusted using the nudge menu. From the Run screen, touch the spanner icon to access the Setup screen. Under System, Features, Guidance, ensure that the boundary steering has been enabled. A warning will be displayed regarding the use of boundary steering. Ensure you read and understand all aspects of the warning before proceeding. Touch the Running Man icon to return to the Run screen. Touch the Guidelines menu icon. Change guidance mode by touching the boundary steering icon. A guideline nudge offset has been applied. Details show the nudge offset to be 1 meter. Touch the message to dismiss. Open the nudge menu. Then Nudge Options. This total nudge value has been applied to the default half implement width. You can remove or adjust this if required. Boundary steering can also be used to steer around the boundary of exclusion zones if exclusion headland is set to yes. Now I turn on my implement master. I then engage my auto steering. As the vehicle moves towards the centre of the field, more guidelines are created. Guidelines are spaced 1 implement width apart. Ensure the guideline is a sufficient distance away from the boundary to avoid colliding with fences and other objects. Both field and operational conditions will play a part in determining suitable guideline distance from boundary. Adjustments can be made easily using the nudge feature. Open the nudge menu, then Nudge Options. This reconfirms your current nudge settings. Then simply nudge your guideline accordingly. And tick to close the nudge options. And that is how to use boundary steering. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.